sa akin sa 16. Circle number.
Wala nang atrasan, nakuha na.
Na-scam na.
Na-scam na ako ni ate.
Tapos, i-change mo. Hold mo, ha? And then you change it.
Okay pa.
The 3. After that, then let it go.
Okay pa. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan kong packing cube. This is Bea Lonza's brand, Bash. So, I've used it 3 times na. This is how I packed my luggage. Nandito yung pants ko, tapos dito yung sleepwear, and then tops, and then over here, nandi jacket, portable fan, and then extra packing cube just in case I have to put something there.
Salvatore Ferragamo.
Wow, parang nasa Italia ako ate.
Italy kasi to. Salvatore. Ikaw na nga magbukas.
Pag nabuksan ko raw to, libre na. Ayan na. Okay. Sana magustuhan niya.
Gustuhan niya, gusto ko rin yan.
Ilang uwi ko pati. Close na tayo. Charot.
O wala kang ano, lagay mo na lang sa...
Okay. So, andito kami ngayon sa Myeongdong. Unfortunately, hindi kami umabot sa night market kasi na-delay yung flight ko. Sad, pero marami pa rin namang open na restaurant kasi palaging may 24/7 na open dito. Kasama ko si Mahal. Doon kami nababa ng taxi sa side pala. Eh, ang daming steps. Maganda sana kung naabutan namin yung night market. Front desk, 6th floor.
Your room, like soft drinks, alcohol, snacks, all free. This month is our 9th year anniversary, so we have prepared some postcards so you can send a letter to your loved ones. So sure you saw some cameras set at the first floor because our founder was famous actor during his young age. His name is Yang Yunshin. I'm not sure if you have time tomorrow to have a look. Our 5th floor has a founders gallery, so please have a look as well. And when you go to your room, you have to press the key card first and press the button. Door closed, so if you don't like it, just press the button, please. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Kumpleto sila, oh. Tapos, ang maganda pa dito, sabi nila, free daw lahat ng nasa minibar. Ang ganda kasi meron kang coffee corner, tas may tea, may Nespresso capsules, tapos meron ka pang extra bottled water. So, ang galing. This time, gutom na kami. So, ang first mission talaga after mag-check-in ay humanap ng pagkain. Let's go! Buti na lang nahanap namin tong Korean snack food kasi nagkikrave ako sa tteokbokki and my husband is craving for kimchi fried rice. Gusto ko is yung number 27 which is the cheese tteokbokki. Mag-gimbap tayo.
Masarap kaya dito.
Tingnan natin. Language, English. Eat here. Tapos, ang gusto natin ay... parang masarap to. Tteokgalbi.
Yun na lang kaya.
Sige, yan. Try this one. Ang ganda ng hotel namin kasi sobrang lapit niya talaga. As in, nasa ano siya, shopping district siya. Story time! What happened was, dapat kasi lilipad na kami today. Pero umulan kaninang umaga kaya we slept in. So when I woke up, nagdesisyon kami ng husband ko to extend our stay. I immediately booked a new flight to the Philippines and a new room. Kaso nalipat kami sa bagong room kasi fully booked na yung same room type kung asan kami kagabi. Pero okay lang, mas spacious dito.
Tayo din. Makakain naman na tayo.
Kaya hi, sorry. Do you guys have an umbrella that we can borrow? We're checked in.
What?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Filipino.
Tapos hintay na lang doon.
Ano yun? Thank you.
Drink, meron ko. Sarap. Hindi mo siya gusto.
Punta kami sa Namsan Tower. Blue.
Hindi mo maganda.
Tsaka isang water.
첸지 멀리 원타이.
Yeah. Tama ko nga pala si Ajusi.
Ano? Masuyo.
Bilan ko nga si Inay Mahal. 21. Doon na lang. Ah.
Sarap. Oh.
Wow.
Hindi naman.
Parang masarap eh.
Masarap sana.
This Korea trip wasn't just about seeing new places. It's about enjoying the moments and being thankful for all the blessings. Sabi nga ni Oprah, the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. It's a reminder to slow down, appreciate, and enjoy the journey. And remember, always stay kind and stay you. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog.